Alright guys, in this tutorial what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the top of the helmet. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to use the same technique as we did to do the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and create a plane and go from there. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our plane. We'll start with drawing in front view. What we're going to do real quick is just move this down. It's obviously too high. It's in the back, but still it's a little bit too high. And let's go ahead and put this in a layer actually before we get started. So create an empty layer. Right click, add selected objects. You can just use that as a template if you want. Okay, so go ahead and we'll start out with a plane right in the middle. Make that one side view. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to edge mode here. And well, first we have to move it up. We always have to do that first. Okay, go to edge mode, move it back. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to start extruding. So we'll go to Edit Mesh Extrude. I'm going to bring it back here, bring it over here. Okay, let's do that again. Bring it back. Bring it over. Okay, let's go ahead and go to Edge, Vertex actually. Bring that up. Okay, so there we go. Okay, now that we basically have that shape, we're going to go ahead and bring it right around. So watch what we'll do here. We're going to go to Edit Mesh Extrude, to W. So we're just going to bring it right up. And we're going to vertex. Okay, and go ahead and select the edges again. Rotate it a little bit. And you have to go ahead and fix that again. Alright. There's something you can do here. You go to Create CV Curve tool. And we can create a little curve here, okay? Just like that. Now we can go to Edge mode. Shift select the curve. And go to Edit Mesh Extrude. And it'll be right along the curve. Let's do like 4 divisions. Oh, that doesn't work. So let's not do that. That doesn't always work. So we're just going to kind of keep doing the same thing here. That should be good. Vertex. And you could either shading X-ray or put a transparent texture on, whichever one you want to do. Okay. I'm going to add Mesh Extrude. This one should be good. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and modify this a bit. Make it fit a little better. See, I think I extruded here without moving. Oh, I know what I did. When I went to add a mesh extrude before, I put the divisions. I hiked up my divisions, so when I extruded, it messed everything up. So I'll just go ahead and do that one more time. And make sure you go to reset so your divisions are 1. Okay. Now go ahead and go to shading X-ray. And just go ahead and fix this now. Okay, turn the X-ray off. Pretty good. Let's go to front view. Let's go ahead and go to vertex and just grab these and raise them up a bit. Okay, let's see what it looks like in perspective. Looks pretty good. It's a little flat here. For the most part, it looks pretty good. So go to edge, and you can grab these edges under here. And we've got to add mesh extrude. Just kind of the visor here. And we'll do the same over here. Okay, and then we'll go to top view, and vertex, and scale these flat. Okay, and then we go to mesh mirror geometry. Let's try that again. Let's go ahead and scale this flat. And now we'll go to mesh mirror geometry. There we go. So let's go ahead and turn that off transparent. You can see the helmet's coming together. What we'll have to do later is we'll connect these. Which is actually pretty easy. So what we can do here is just select them both, and we'll go to mesh combine. So now they're all one. Then go to vertex, hit W, and then V to snap. Just move these over. Okay, and go to vertex mode, highlight everything, go to add a mesh merge. It's looking pretty good. We might want to go in here and modify some of this stuff. Just round it out a bit. Something like that. Okay, so now what we'll have to do is go ahead and insert 2 edge loops in here. And what we'll do is go ahead and do the same thing, vertex, hit W and V, merge, V, merge, V, merge. Okay, so highlight everything. Then go to edit mesh, and then merge. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to actually go to edit mesh, insert edge loop. We'll put one through here. And we're going to go to vertex. And this is going to do this line. Hit Control deselect. Go to side view here. This will allow me to give the helmet some rounding, so it's not so flat. Probably want to take these and bring it down. Go ahead and bring it in. We can go to here. Do that. So basically just adding some roundness to the helmet. So I go to top view now. Go to face mode, delete half of it. Go ahead and go to vertex. Highlight. Scale flat. Now there's a lot of different ways to model this. Basically every time this is my second time modeling this. Because every time I'm modeling this thing, I'm getting like, you know, a different version of the helmet. So, and this looks pretty good. They all look the same though. So this looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and we'll do this part later. If you go to side view, you'll notice we haven't done that part. So we could go ahead and do that. It's pretty easy. So we'll go ahead next video. We'll add some finishing touches, and it should look pretty good when we're done. We'll add the sphere for the head. I'm just fixing this. And a good way to test if this is a good model is you go to modify. Well, save it first. Modify, save scene as. I'm just going to call this helmet vid 2. You go to modify, convert polygons to subdiv, and hit 3. And if this thing converts and it's smooth, a little issue here I got to fix, but if it's smooth, just like that, the geometry is good. That's how we know the geometry is pretty solid on this. You know, some issues here because, you know, we didn't finish up, but anyway, that's the bell as you guys could hear. So I need to go, and we'll do the next video later.